Hello and welcome to this short video on the low mini kit stand. The low mini kit stand is a compact aluminum stand that's perfect for a background light or low mounting angles. The low mini kit stand features nut and bolt construction for easy maintenance and repair, double leg braces for increased stability, a solid brass baby 5/8 inch mounting stud with a 3/8/16 mounting male thread on top. The stand comes with a 3/8/16 to 1/4-20 adapter for additional mounting options. The stud is attached with double cross pins to ensure that it won't wobble or rotate. This stand weighs 1.7 pounds and supports 3.3 pounds. Collapsed, it measures only 15.75 inches for easy storage and travel. The stand has a minimum height of 18.6 and a maximum height of 50.8 inches. To open a stand, loosen the knob above the legs and pull the legs open until the braces are parallel to the floor, and tighten the knob until snug. Place the monolights baby receiver on the stud and tighten the set screw until snug. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.